Hello guys, so again guys, today we have a new camera here in AAB World guys. So again, we have the new Canon EOS R6 Mark II. Yan guys, this is the Mark II, and again we received two box of the EOS R6 or two type, which is we have the body only, and we have also here the EOS R6 Mark II with the lens, kit lens, which is RF24105 f4L IS USM lens. So I think if you purchase the lens separately is how much ba? 350 at around 350, 349. I'm not sure, but it's around 349. Again guys, but on this vlog, the lens, which is RF24105, is kit in the EOS R6 Mark II. So yan, we will unbox. Again, we will unbox and check the, again, this is only a quick unboxing, and we will check only the camera itself. Yan. So again, without further ado guys, let's start unbox this Canon EOS R6 Mark II. Yan so guys. So again, this is the box from the EOS R6 Mark II. It's similar with the one R3. It's also the size. It's almost like an R3 because it's a kit. And guys, so this is the R6 Mark II. You have your cables. Yan, cables. Of course, you have also the manuals. Yan, you have the manuals. The LPE6NH battery, LPE6NH, again LPE6 OTH, the charger of course, and this is your lens. This is a lens bag or lens pouch. You have the lens pouch, you have the lens hood from the 24105, you have your EOS R6 Mark II strap. Yan, it's EOS R6 Mark II straps. Strap. And of course, you have here your body, the 24105 f4. And check natin later. And also the camera, which is the EOS R6, and that's it inside the box of the EOS R6. And guys, so back to the vlog. Again, this is the lens, which is a 24105 f4, and this is the new body of the EOS R6 Mark II. Yan. And guys, again, one day we will compare the Mark II and the Mark I. On the next vlog, we will compare guys. But today we have a quick unboxing only on the R6 Mark II. Again, if you see in this button guys, you have already your switch from photo to video. I think in Mark I there's no buttons, like a switch button for quick switch button for photo and video, and there's no LCD. In Mark I, meron ba? I'm not sure, but we will check the Mark I. Tap LCD. I think there's no tap LCD. But again, you have also the lock button. I think in the Mark I, no. Mic input, I think it's all similar with the USB, HDMI. It's a micro HDMI and USB-C. So the screen is right here. You have the screen and the R6 Mark II. But again guys, we will try to compare the R6 Mark II and the R6 Mark I. Side by side comparison for the body and the specs, of course. Again, the specs of this camera guys is 24.4 megapixel with a 4K 60 frames up to 10-bit internal video CLAG 3. External 6K ProRes RAW recording if you use external recorder, of course. And with 12 frames mechanical shutter and 40 frames for electronic shutter. Yun, bilis, diba? So, censorship 5-axis image stabilization already in the camera. Again, with 3.69 M dot OLED EVF or electronic viewfinder. Yan, with the 3-inch and the 1.62 M dot vari-angle touchscreen. Yan, it's a vari-angle touchscreen. Yan nga, pwede mo siyang ganyan. It's a vari-angle touchscreen with a dual UHS-2 memory card. Yeah, UHS-2. Hindi siya CMS first. Yan, UHS-2 memory card. With and guys, for the internal recording, you can record up to H.2.6 and H.2.5 MPEG 422 with 10-bit, and Ultra HD 4K, Ultra HD 4K, which is 3840 or 2160, up to 60 frames with the 60 to 340 megabytes or megabits per second. And also you can record from HD, which is 1920 to 1080, up to 180 frames per second, and with a minimum of 12 to 270 megabits per second. So again guys, this is the key features of the new Canon R6 Mark II. So yan guys, I think that is for today. Again, if you want to check the availability and the price of our new Canon R6 Mark II, you can visit our website www.aabworld.com, or you can visit us here guys in Symphony Megastore showroom, or you can go to our other branch, which is Agayla and Shamia branch. So again guys, I think that's it for today. Flex time. First, I want to flex my PBK 2.0. Yan. Ang ating PBK 2.0 na si Palaboy OFW na sobrang busy doon. Gusto ata ng 5K din. Yan. Bonus. Si Brian na naningka din. Ng bonus din. At si Julius na nasa bakasyon. At ating cameraman for today na si Audrey. So ayan guys. Hanggang dito na lang guys. Again, check the price and the product. Canon R6 Mark II, available now here guys in AAB World Megastore showrooms. Hanggang dito na lang. Thank you and mabuhay.